Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We'll take a quick look at a case for the Pixel 6. Now this is the official Google Pixel 6 case, as you can see, with the Google branding. I wanted to check this case out for a long time. I've read some good reviews. I've seen some good reviews on YouTube. And of course, made by Google, it should fit perfectly and should feel very good on the device, all right? Now, so let's go ahead and get started and check it out. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon, you can get it from Best Buy, and you can get it from the Google store. All right, I got this from Best Buy. It's the same price in each area. I got the Stormy Sky version. This is kind of like the smoke gray looking one because I have the kind of smoked dark looking device there. And they advise you to get the one that comes closest to the color of your device. All right, and they got another one right here. This is the light rain color right there. All right. So that's another option for you right there. Now, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. Okay, here's the box. You got the official Google branding right there, Pixel 6 case. You got the color of the picture of the device right there. Translucent case. Now, the translucent, sometimes that's not as grippy as the regular TPU plastic, but we'll see how it goes. I've read some reviews that said it's a little slippery, but not too bad. It's better than having a naked phone. And this made from 30% recycled plastic. Let's go ahead and take this out and see what it's all about. I'll get this tab off and we'll get it open. Okay, let's pull the top off right here. And nothing else in there except this little tab right here, Team Pixel. All right, let's put that to the side. Now, here's the case. As I said, it's a translucent case. You can see through it somewhat, but it's got the translucent back right there. The camera opening has a raised area right here to protect the camera, but you have an extended opening there to get the full effect of what the camera looks like. I think I like that. This is the volume up and down rocker button and the power button. It's not textured, so you can't tell the difference between them by feeling them. The case, you can feel it and you can tell it has some good protection. It's kind of stiff around here for the most part. You got your opening for your charging port and your speakers right there, and you got your mic right there. Mic opening, and you got a little Google branding right there. Okay, and just with the case, naked case in the hand, doesn't feel too bad, slippery wise. So I think it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's translucent, but it doesn't have that real slippery translucent feel. It's almost like a mixture of the plastic and the translucent back. So but it's got a nice feel to it. Okay, and it's nice and rounded. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, we got the Pixel 6 right here. This is the Stormy Black version. Let's go ahead and put this inside. I'll put the bottom in first, and we'll pop on the top. Now it fits real nice and tight. And so, of course, it's made by Google, so you're getting a good fit there. As you can see that. Everything is nicely done. The bottom all lines up perfectly. You see that. And, of course, the top where the mics are, where the mic is, you're going to see that's nice and lined up as well. So the power button works well. It's nice and tactile. Everything works well there. And the camera, as you can see, is nice and well protected. You see that, but it's not too intrusive, and you get the full effect of what the camera looks like. And I like that right there. Right. So this case is made well. You got your Google branding right there. Now I can see some smudges right there on the case, but I did have a little something on my hands that might have exacerbated that, but we'll see. But it's not too slippery. I think I can work with it, and I like the way it feels in the hand, and it fits really well. Okay, now let's look at the lip on the device. Now see, this case comes around almost to make sure you got maximum protection on the lip. So screen protectors, you got to be careful. They might not all fit because this does come over the screen really well. You see that right there. So the screen is going to be protected, but it's nicely done, so it's not too intrusive, but it will be protected. You can see that right there. Okay. Nice little contour right here where the camera area is. You see that right there. But this is a nice looking case. It feels good in the hand. All right. So I think I'll probably use this one right now for the Pixel 6. Wish they had a solid black, but that's all right. This looks good. Okay. Now let's check out wireless charge and let's see how that works. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. Let's put it on. All right, so picked up wireless charge pretty easily laying down. Let's stand it up. So picked it up standing up as well. Okay, let's go ahead and lay this down sideways and see what happens. So picked it up sideways as well. So the case works well with wireless charging. Now it does say that this might slow down charging, like, and I think they're talking about the reverse wireless charging, but I wouldn't worry too much about that. I think the case feels good. It fits very nicely, and it's made by Google, so that's a little more reassurance there. I think I would recommend it. It's a little expensive, but I think I would recommend it if you want something that fits well and works well with the case. And it's not too slippery. It's not the grippiest case, but it's not the slipperiest case either. Okay, so I think it's something that you can manage, right? If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.